This is part 3 of ChemQuest 9, and before we continue on to the next slide, notice how the nitrogen atom in the bottom has a 3 minus charge, so that means that there should be 3 more electrons than protons, and on the table you can see that's true because there are 10 electrons and 7 protons. All right, so question 10. An element has two different isotopes, one um, having a mass of 84.9118 AMU, and that's 72.15% of the element's abundance, and the rest are 86.9092 AMU. What is the average atomic mass for this element? This is the same idea. First, calculate the missing percentage just by doing 100 minus 72.15%, and you get 27.85%. And then you just calculate the weighted average by converting the percentage into a decimal, and then by multiplying the decimal with this corresponding mass and adding them all up, and you get 85.468 atomic mass units. Question 11. Magnesium has three different isotopes. 78.7% are 23.985 AMU, 10.13% are 24.986 AMU, and 11.17% are 25.983 AMU. What is the average atomic mass of magnesium? This is the same idea again, just multiply the decimal with the corresponding atomic mass unit and add them all together, and you get 24.309 atomic mass units. All right, let's start the skill practice 9 assignment. All right, question 1. Um, an element has three different isotopes. 24.1% are 75.23 AMU, 48.7% is 74.61 AMU, and 27.2% are 75.20 AMU. What is the average atomic mass of this element? Same idea again, just multiply the decimal with the corresponding mass, and you get 74.92 AMU. And to find the identity of the element, look for um, the average atomic mass in the periodic table, and you see that arsenic has an average atomic mass of 74.92. Question 2. An element has four different isotopes as indicated below. The average atomic mass is calculated the same way, and you get 51.99 AMU. And that, again, to find the identity of the element, you simply have to look at the periodic table and see which element has an average atomic mass of 51.99 AMU, and you see that chromium has an average atomic mass closest to that value. Question 3. Calcium has three different isotopes as indicated below. Which isotope is the most abundant of the three? So this question is a little different. All right, by looking at the periodic table, you can see that the average atomic mass of calcium is 40.08, and 40.08 is closest to the third isotope, 40 atomic mass units. Therefore, you can conclude the isotope with a mass of 40 AMU is the most abundant since the weighted average is most closest to 40 AMU. Question 4. An element has four different isotopes as indicated below. To calculate the average atomic mass, you just do the same method we've been doing this whole tutorial, and you get 41.714 atomic mass units. Um, and that is the end of the slideshow. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned how to find the average atomic mass of elements and their different isotopes.